John Vigliani, CBS News, Lahaina.
A new developments tonight in the blindside lawsuit. Attorneys for former NFL player Michael Orr have issued subpoenas to gain more records in the relationship to his conservatorship. Court records show subpoenas were issued to Shelby County, Tennessee Public Schools and Alcon Entertainment. The latter is the production company behind the film The Blind Side. Earlier this month, Orr filed court documents accusing Sean and Leanne Toohey of tricking him into signing papers when he was 18 that made the couple his conservators. The Tooheys have denied the allegations. Experts are more and more concerned about lightning bugs disappearing from the U.S. and other countries. Scientists have two theories. They said lightning bugs thrive in marshes, fields, and forests, but new development could be destroying their habitat. And light pollution could be a problem and make it more difficult for the bugs to communicate at night. I want you to take a look at video captured ahead of Hurricane Idalia. Pilots flying over Tampa saw what's known as St. Elmo's fire. Very impressive, as you can see. Now, that's what happens when the atmosphere becomes charged and creates an electrical current with an object. In this case, it was their plane. Little bursts of lightning you can see right there on the plane's windshield. And tonight's the moon looks bigger and brighter than normal. Tonight's super blue moon is closer to Earth than any other time this year. The moon is going to be full until Friday morning, but will not be as close after tonight.
And now your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney.
Austin's here with a little bit of science behind the blue moon.
Yeah, science and odds. Well, first off, it's crazy bright.
It's unbelievable. You said you could probably walk your dog at dark and leave a shadow, right?
Yeah, exactly right. You'll be able to tell that tonight. But it's also fairly rare. So let's break this down, shall we? It's kind of a compound phrase here, super blue moon. The super portion, as James alluded to, is talking about the moon when it's full being closest to the Earth compared to any other point during the year. All right, let me check that box. The blue moon, think of the term once in a blue moon. It doesn't happen very often. It means we have two full moons in the same month. So we have both happening at the same time, and if you go outside right now, you can see it. It's going to be the last time we have this combination until 2037. So quite the rare event in the skies over the Miami Valley tonight. If you do step outside, this is what you are greeted with this evening. The clouds that were so stubborn to clear out of here earlier today finally have. We are dry, and all that warmth is escaping back out into space. Look at the cool temperatures out there. We're 58 degrees right now in the city of Dayton. Urbana, 52 already. We're 55 degrees in Greenville. And that cool weather is going to be the main story as we go through tonight into tomorrow morning. Look at how the numbers just dropped towards sunrise tomorrow morning. I think we're down to 51 or 52 here in Dayton. You get north of I-70 and 40s become a stronger possibility. I'll be surprised if you wake up to 46 in Greenville, 48 there in Sydney, maybe 48 in Bellefontaine. I don't think you necessarily need to run the heat tonight, but the jacket is probably going to be a good idea first thing out the door tomorrow morning. So kids at the bus stop, as the sun starts to come up, still kind of chilly, 54 degrees, but tomorrow afternoon, excellent. Mid-70s, low humidity again tomorrow. The only little concern on the weather maps tonight, the possibility of some fog developing across the northern part of the Miami Valley. Meteorologist Brittany Ritz will be tracking that development if it occurs first thing tomorrow on daybreak. But then you see it quickly clears out of here. We are back to the sunshine, and sunshine, dry weather, and eventually heat will be the story over the next week. No chance for rain through this weekend. The temperatures just keep climbing. We're at 89 on Saturday, 90 on Sunday, 92 for your Labor Day on Monday. Summer is not done with us yet. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, patchy morning fog possible tomorrow, then sunshine across the board. We're going to bump these numbers up. Friday, we're still not feeling that bad, but in comes the heat on Saturday, and then the 90s are here to stay for the holiday weekend and into much of next week. We're going to bump up the mugginess as well, especially by Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when those heat index values could top 95 degrees.
All right, Austin, thank you. Customers complained they did not have it their way at Burger King. Now the class action lawsuit, this fast food chain.
I'm Jameson.